Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today and how it's going to look. You see, it's pretty amazing and I hope you like it. So let's start how we can create that. Okay, let's at first insert a new slide. In new slide, we format the background and set it to black and apply it to all. And after that, we need to create 3 rectangles. I'm going to copy them because creating the rectangle is just easy. And after creating that, you need to recolor them. For the color you want, I am going to go with this color at the first and this color. And the last one is going to be this color, I think. And then after creating that, we need to these 3 text. These are just same text and nothing special about them. And then reduce its size a little. And I'm going to color it to the another color. It's different is the font. And then copy that. And then we bring it up. Not the text, only. Then bring it up. And make it white. Then copy this slide and bring it up. Now, make it clean. Set the transition of all the slide except the first one to the morph. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice